Actress and television host Kris Aquino took to Instagram Monday, January 22, to reveal her lupus diagnosis on top of other autoimmune diseases she is currently dealing with. Aquino announced to her social media followers that her CREST syndrome is now in full active mode. CREST is a multi-system connective tissue disorder. Her doctors also told her she is exhibiting early signs of systemic lupus erythematosus, SLE, commonly known as lupus. The multimedia personality is receiving treatment as well for Churg-Strauss syndrome, a disorder marked by blood vessel inflammation, also known as eosinophilic granulomatosis with polyangiitis, EGPA. I cried nonstop when I got my blood panel result. My Churg-Strauss, EGPA is still being treated. But to add it to my CREST syndrome is now in full active mode, wrote Kris. And I'm already exhibiting many symptoms for another autoimmune connective tissue disease. It's highly likely based on my anti-nuclear antibody count, my high inflammatory numbers, my anemia, my now constant elevated blood pressure at night, and the consistent appearance of the butterfly rash on my face that I'm at the initial stage of SLE or what's commonly known as lupus, she added. Despite the challenges, Aquino expressed her determination to continue the fight for her loved ones and for those who are praying for her. We have a merciful and loving God who hears our prayers. Our battle has become more complex, but I promised my sons and sisters that I wouldn't be a wimp, Aquino said. And I'm promising all my friends plus all who continue to pray for me. Bawal pa ring sumuko. Tuloy pa rin ang laban. Surrender is not an option, the fight continues. Kris continued. The news comes months after Aquino revealed blood panel abnormalities in November, leading to iron infusions.